Hi dear colleagues, we continue our video series with the second one. And the second one we will focus on creating courses and making our students register to the course. And with those courses we can send materials to our students. Before we make accounts, there is a verify your account part. You have to verify your account by clicking here. So you can do this later, okay? And now we're gonna go to courses, and from courses, actually when you click on the courses, you're gonna have a drop down menu, and from here we have to click on create a course, and it will open up another dialog box where we're gonna write the details about the course. Let's say I'm gonna teach to a mathematics class. For that reason I will write there maths. I'll write the class name here, let's say 2A, and I would like to also mention about the year that I'm teaching, or you can write also the previous year that you started and when they're gonna graduate from the course. And the subject, it's mathematics, and the level is going to be 10. And I'm gonna click create. Our course will be ready. When you click on the courses drop down menu, you're gonna see your available courses. So the first one was 2A, Maths 2A, okay? And you can also change the photo of the classes. You might have a lot of parallel classes, let's say same generations that you teach in math, and you can assign different photos to distinguish them. After we finish registration for the course, we need to inform our students to join our courses. To do that, we will send this code to our students, and they will do the same thing from the courses and from the drop down menu, and they will go to my courses, and from here they're gonna click on the join courses and write the access code, and they will be in your course. And when you go to check the members, and you will see your students will be listed in this part. Now if you want to join another course into your courses, you can click on my courses and create a course. Let's say this time we will create a physics course. And I'm gonna write example, it's the 2A, again 2019 2020, and it's a science lesson, okay, and the level is again 10, and I will click create. So same thing I can do, change the profile and send the code to students. And if you want to add more course, all you need to do just click on create courses. We have finished also second part, and the following parts we will learn how to add materials and send information to our students. See you later, bye bye.